अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम कैफ़ा हालुकी अंती सुमैरा।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बिखैर। كيف حالك؟
अना ईदन बिखैर व आफिया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। ओके, so tell me that everything has the clarity in your head, like whatever we have discussed so far.
जी जी, लिटिल बिट। असल में मेरी कुछ क्लासेस मिस हो गई थी, अभी मैंने उनको रिवाइज नहीं किया, लेकिन मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ।
Okay. Actually, consistency is very important. Even you can only take the half an hour on regular basis. And I think it's not a big deal to take out half an hour in a whole day. So try it hard, because if we will do the consistent practice, so believe me, it will create a constant tempo and it will not break. And you will get the familiarity day by day as you will be consistent towards your practice. Okay?
ओके।
Okay.
अच्छा, मैं ना ये जो ग्रामर है ना, ग्रामर को मैंने मतलब किया तो है, लेकिन मुझे समझ जितनी नहीं आई। तो लेकिन अगर मैं जैसे साथ साथ कर रही हूँ ये जो बुक के साथ, तो उससे क्लियर हो जाएगा ये। थोड़ा बहुत मुझे पता है, लेकिन एग्जैक्ट
Exactly.
मेरा नहीं ख्याल मुझे।
Yeah, that's why I want to go through the Baina Yadaik book as soon as possible, because the more you will do the practice of reading out loud these dialogues, and the more you will do the practice in practice session or at home, the more you will get to know about the particular pattern of making sentences and the memorization of the particular words of vocabulary. Okay? And
जी
as
इंशाल्लाह।
I told you earlier that I'm planning to tell you guys about the grammatical things gradually, because grammatical things are a little bit complex to understand. But uh, side by side, if we will practice and read and learn and trying to understand the dialogues side by side, we will do the practice of grammar. Automatically we will get the understanding towards the familiarity for Arabic words and Arabic sentences pattern. Okay, I hope you are getting my point.
इंशाल्लाह।
Inshallah. So, right now I have to discuss some grammatical things, but let's wait for some other people. Till then, let's read the dialogues. I hope so far, whatever the dialogues we have done, you had the clarity to understand the pattern of sentences, how to make them all by yourself. Like, for instance, here we can see Maza Sanamalu Badad Dirasa. It means, can you tell me what does it mean?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं आता।
Okay. What do you do after the studies? What will you do? Sorry. What will we do? Sanamalu. Namalu, amalu, yamalu, tamalu. Do you remember that? So namalu, nahnu. Nahnu is we. So namalu seen is showing that they are talking about the near future. And maza means what. So what will we do bada dirasa, after the studies? Got it?
जी जी।
Here, if we would say what you will do after the studies, and I'm talking to the female, so how would you say?
तनामलु आएगा इसके साथ। माजा तनामलु।
I'm talking about you, second person female.
ماذا سنعملين بعد الدراسة؟
Why you are saying noon?
sorry ماذا سأعملين بعد الدراسة؟
ستعملين. تعمل. أعمل.
ستعملين.
يعمل. تعمل. تعملين. Got it? Second female person, we use ina, like tazhabina, ta'malina, taf'alina. What else? Tashrabina. Got it? Hal haza waze?
जी जी
Okay. Maza sata'malina bada dirasa. If I would say ask from the second female person, right? Then we have done, no, we didn't do, we were in the middle, so class would be ended yesterday. Okay, at-talibul awwal, first student. At-talibul sani, second student. At-talibul salis, third student. At-talibul rabi', fourth student. At-talibul khamis, fifth student. So ana adrusu tib. Wait a minute. Okay, ana adrusu tib fi kulliyat tib. I study medical in the department of medical. Sa'amalu medical science. Sa'amalu tabiban inshallah. I will be a doctor. Am I correct or wrong? Sa'amalu.
No, I will work as a doctor.
Exactly. I will work as a doctor, inshallah, if Allah will. Then at-talibu salis, third student, ana adrusus saydala fi kulliya. So what does saydala means?
Pharmacy.
What?
Pharmacy.
Okay. Yes.
Pharmacy.
Ana
Saydala means it's
department of,
pharmacy department जिसे आप कहते हैं. हाँ,
yeah,
pharmacy
exactly.
department जिसे आप
As-saydala sa'amalu saydaliyan inshallah. I will work as the pharmacist if Allah will. At-talibur rabi', fourth student, ana adrusu tamrida fi kulliya. What does it mean?
I think so, nursing department.
Exactly. Good job. Tayyib. Ana adrusu, I'm studying the nursing department. At-tamridi sa'amalu mumarridan. Mumarridan is I will work as
Nurse.
or male nurse, compounder, like you, male nurse, I guess. Inshallah, because they are male. With the pictures I can see. All right. At-talibul khamis, fifth student. Ana adrusul handasata fi kulliyati. Ana adrusul handasata fi kulliyatil handasati. Sa'amalu muhandisan inshallah. Sumaira, can you tell me what does it mean?
इंजीनियर
Exactly. Good job. At-talibus sadis, sixth student. Ana adrusu tayrana fi kulliyati tayrani. Sa'amalu tayyara. Inshallah. Yes, Nida.
I'm studying in aviation. Tairan is aviation or air department. Fi kulliyatu Tairan, I will work as a pilot, inshallah.
Good. Perfect. At-talibul awwal, first student. Ana adrusu tarbiya fi kulliyati tarbiyati sa'amalu mudarrisan inshallah. Means
I'm studying in education department and will work as a teacher, inshallah.
perfect. Good job. So these words, if we will remember, memorize and practice, so automatically we come to know. Can you tell me these are the professions? So what we call the professions in Arabic, do you know about it or shall I tell?
No, I don't think so. I don't know
Mehna.
about it.
Mehna.
Mehna. Can you please write it or spell it?
Yeah, I will share it in group. Right now I don't have my phone.
Okay.
Okay, Mehna professions. Even I will share the professions flyer with you as well. So we can memorize all of the professions, including masculine and feminine, right? All right, third dialogue, Aliwar Salis. Mariam, ana mudarrisatun ma mehnatuki. See, this is the word. Okay, Nada?
Yes.
Ana mudarrisatun. I am the teacher. Ma mehnatuki. What is your profession? Zainab, ana mudarrisatun aidan. I am teacher too, or I am also a teacher. Maryam fi ayyi marhalatin tudarrisina. What does it mean? What do you think about it? Yes. Do you know about it? Fi ayyi. In
At
which?
what level of education are you?
Exactly. In which marhala, I guess, in which
Class, I think so. Class level it is. What
section?
ये marhala
In
to
which
in which
section?
grade or which standard? हाँ, section.
Section. Yeah. Like primary
हाँ,
section, secondary section, right? Higher section. In which section you are teaching? Tudarrisina. If it would be tadrisina, so what would it be? That studies. But it's tudarrisina means teach. Okay? In which section you are teaching? Zainab, udarrisu fil marhalatil ibtidaiya. It means I teach in the section of primary section, you can say. All right? Wafi ayyi marhalati tudarrisina anti, and in which section you are teaching? Maryam, udarrisu fil marhalatil mutawassita. I am teaching in the secondary section. All right? I hope you guys got it. Okay. Hal laki itfalun. What do you think? What does it mean? Hal laki itfalun. Yes. Do you know about it?
Atfal is kids. Hal means do. Lucky, I'm sorry, I don't know. So do you do lucky is la ki, it refers that this is you. She is referring to you. La hal lucky atfalun. Naam li atfalun.
Means do you teach kids?
Okay.
Here in this
Do
sentence,
you?
they have not mentioned that do you teach, but indirectly they are trying to ask that do you have kids? Like do you do work for kids? Okay,
अच्छा, अगर हम इसको डायरेक्ट पूछना चाहें कि डू यू टीच किड्स, तो इसको हल तुदरिसीना अतफालुन हो सकता है। हाँ,
तुदर्रिसीना.
तुदर्रिसन, हाँ, तुदर्रिसीना अतफालुन होगा।
Exactly. Maryam, naam li atfalun. Yes. Yes, I have kids. Zainab kam tiflan laki. Now what does it mean? How many kids you have, right? Maryam li khamsatu itfalan. Means I will tell you later about word by word meaning. So you guys would not get stuck, and you guys would understand that how can you add these kind of sentences in your conversation, right? Li khamsatu itfalun, probably like 5 kids. Zainab, hal tuhibbina amalik. Do you love your work? Maryam, naam uhibbu amali. Yes, I love my work, or I like my work. Zainab, wa ana uhibbu amali aidan. And I also love my work. It was third dialogue, right? Anything you want to ask, guys? I'm trying my level best.
अच्छा, अगर मैं ये कहना चाहूँ आई लाइक माई वर्क, लव की जगह तो लाइक के लिए भी उहिब ही यूज करेंगे या कोई और वर्ड यूज करेंगे लाइक के लिए?
Yes, it means I like, I love. right? But
मतलब like और love दोनों के लिए word
Yes.
hub ही use होगा.
yes, but you can say ufaddilu, tufaddilu. Do you remember we have learned earlier, I like this and that. In our previous dialogue, some previous dialogue, we have checked that they were asking, what's your favorite thing? Do you remember?
Yes, remember.
So, inshallah, these kind of words we will practice. I will make the things and I will provide you with the English translation like previously I have done, because these days my laptop is not working properly, and due to that, I am not able to make the presentations kind of these things. So, I hope, can we repeat these things again? Kulliyatit Tairan, can you, Zainab, can you tell me, or Sumaira?
Aviation department.
Exactly. كلية تمريد تمريدي.
Is it nursing department?
Nursing department. Perfect. كلية التربية.
Education department,
كلية الهندسة.
engineering department,
كلية
doctor,
كلية الصيدلة. Pharmacist. Okay.
Pharmacy department.
Like pharmacy department or Saidalati. A Saidalati is pharmacist. See here, they have given the time, all of the time. Asat al-Hadi Ashara, Asat al-Sani Ashara. 12 o'clock tak hai ye. Try to learn as much as possible, because as I told you yesterday, that we have to learn the chapter of Adad Madud, which is difficult and tricky. Okay? I want you guys to practice more dialogues, so we can get to know the things according to the grammar, which I want to let you know, guys. So automatically, side by side, we will work to understand the dialogues, the pattern of the sentences, and side by side, we will understand the grammatical things and terminologies. So we will have the proper understanding. Yes, this is. Do you want me to do this exercise in the class, or do you guys would do in your practice session? Yes,
in class, I think.
in class. Okay. Mahmudun muhandisun ya'malu fi sharikati kabiratin. Mahmudun yazhabu ila sharikati bil hafila wa ya'malu sab'a sa'atin fil yawmi wa yuhibbu amalahu. So, who will tell me the meanings? Yes.
Okay,
Mahm
I try.
Yeah, sure.
Mahmood is engineer. He works in a big company. Mahmood go to go to the company by bus. He works 7 hours in a day. He loves his work
Good job. Tell me, what does it mean? Amala who? Vayuhibbu amala who?
and he loves
his work.
his job.
His work.
His
His
work.
job.
Exactly. His job or his work. Perfect. Asantam. Well, see, I hope you guys remember about the attached and detached pronouns, which we have learned earlier. Amaluha, if there would be a girl or a female, so we would, it would have how would we read it? Amaluha, okay? Or if I would say second person male, Amaluka, Amaluki, all right? Tuhibbina Amaluki, you love with your work. Tuhibbina Amaluki, okay? So these, in this way, we can change the things. We can twist the things. and we can get the understanding about that.
अमलुकी का क्या होगा?
You, second person, female. Amaluki. Like
You
tuhibbina.
work.
I am telling you, hal tuhibbina amaluki? Do you love your work? Are you understand? Are you getting my point? Amalu ki, amaluka, amaluhu, amaluha. Do you remember that? These attached pronouns we have discussed earlier. If you remember. Yes,
जी
Sumaira.
युहिब जी जी युहिब्बु की अमलुकी. Do you love your work?
Yuhibbu ki? No, yuhibbu ki nahi aayega. Tuhibbina. I'm talking about
तुहिब्बीना.
second female person, na?
ठीक ठीक.
Tuhibbina amaluki. You love with your work. So you would say uhibbu amali. Uhibbu amali. Let's review the things. In the beginning, do you remember we have done kitabi, haza kitabi. This is my book. Haza kitabuki. This is your book. I am talking to a second female person. Haza kitabuka. This is your book with second male person. Haza kitabuhu. It's his book. And haza kitabuha. This is her book. Did you get the things? Yes, Sumaira. If I would say I love my work, how would I say?
Uhibbu amali.
Uhibbu amali. Exactly. Choti ya is representing the me, I. I love my work. Uhibbu amali. I love my work. I work 7 hours in a day. Amalu sab'a sa'atin fil yawmi. I go to the company by the bus. Azhabu ila sharikati bil hafila. I am an engineer. Ana muhandisun. Amalu fi sharikatin kabiratin. So in this way, we can change the things. We can do the practice in this way, Nida. In your practice session, you can utilize this technique that instead of using the same thing, we can twist the things using attached and detached pronouns so we can easily know. Like for instance, I can say, you all guys, I am talking to more than like plural female second people. Like I am a teacher and my female students are in front of me, like you are 4. So I am, if I would say you guys love your work, how would I say? Using attached or detached pronouns. How would I say?
Tuhibna amaluhunna.
Tuhibbina. Tuhibbina, isn't it
Nahi,
tuhibbina?
the multiple people, na teacher, there are multiple people or only one?
Multiple girls.
Tuhibna
Okay.
amaluhunna, if I'm not wrong.
Exactly. Tuhibna amaluhunna. If there would be male people, so yuhibbukum.
If it would be tuhibbuna amaluhum.
Yuhibbuna.
It's second
Sorry,
person, na?
yes. Tuhibbun.
It's second, it's
Tuhibbuna
second person.
amaluhum.
Tuhibbuna amaluhum.
Exactly. If I would say they love their work for male or female,
Third
both.
person.
For both.
Third person.
Yes, third.
Acha, so yuhibbuna amaluhum for males and yuhibna amaluhunna for females.
Yes, but I was saying if there would be male female both, so how would we say?
Multiple male female है ना, दोनों है, मतलब दोनों है.
So how would we say?
I think so उनके लिए मेल और फीमेल अगर आपके पास मिक्स भी हो, ज्यादा भी हो, तो I think so आप
Wait a minute,
हाँ,
let's check.
अब वो जो मुझे याद पड़ता है कि मेल और फीमेल अगर मल्टीपल हो तो उसकी कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हमने अभी तक पढ़ी नहीं है. बस हाजान हातान के अंदर उसकी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है. हम हुआ हिया हाजान हातान में है हौला और वाली डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है. उसके अलावा तो आई थिंक सो मल्टीपल मेल फीमेल की मुझे नहीं याद कि हमने अभी कुछ ऐसे मेल और फीमेल डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड हमने पढ़ा है.
Mm-hmm. No, I told you that if there would be male and female both, so we have to focus that we will use the same thing which we use for males. Okay? Are you
हाँ,
getting
ये
my
बात आपने
point?
बताई थी.
Yeah,
हाँ, आपने ये बात बताई थी, ये बताया था कि अगर आपके पास अगर आपके मल्टीपल मेल और फीमेल हैं तो फिर हम मेल जो है ना वो ही यूज करें. मेल
exactly.
वाला जो मतलब मेल वाला सेकंड पर्सन और मेल वाला थर्ड पर्सन जो आपका होगा हम वो यूज करें.
Yeah, exactly. Let me share the
हाँ.
screen again. That's why I want you guys to do the revision. See here, we are saying they love their work. So how would we say? Yuhibbuna.
दे में अगर मेल फीमेल दोनों हैं तो युहिब दे प्रेजेंट है, थर्ड पर्सन सेकंड पर्सन.
थर्ड पर्सन है ना, गायब.
थर्ड पर्सन युहिब्बूना अमलुहुम होगा ना, अमलुहुम युहिब्बूना अमलुहुम.
Amaluhum. Good job.
हाँ.
Yuhibbuna amaluhum. All right.
हाँ.
So in this way, if we will change the things, so automatically we will come to know. Like Mahmood, Ayaz, and and Zainab. What would we say? Yazhabuna or yazhabani?
नहीं, अगर ये तीनों की आप एक साथ बात कर रहे हैं,
Yes.
तीनों के बारे में एक साथ बात कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
आप, मतलब
Mahmood,
दे
Ayaz, and
ऑल.
Zainab.
हाँ,
Yes,
तो यज़हब, ये तो फिर यज़हबूना होगा ना.
exactly.
मैम कैन यू रिपीट कि अगर दोनों होंगे यानी मेल और फीमेल दोनों होंगे तो उसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे?
See this one. Wait a minute. See, if there would be third person male, it would be yuhibbu. Yuhibbani if there would be dual. And if there would be plural, it would be yuhibbuna. If there would be female, so we would say, what we would say? Tuhibbu, tuhibbani, yuhibna, sorry, yuhibna. But if we would have male and female both, so we would use the male sigha for plural, like yuhibbuna, yazhabuna. Got it? So how would we say Mahmood, Ayaz, and Zainab? Yazhabuna ila sharikati bil hafila. وَيَعْمَلُونَ سَبْعَ سَاعَاتٍ فِي الْيَوْمِ. Mahmudun, Ayazun, and Zainabun, Muhandisu. आगे क्या आएगा? Who will tell me? Now this is
यअमलूना,
ism. Now this is ism.
यअमलूना.
Muhandisukum. This is ism and we need to put the attached or detached pronoun. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
It's a profession and we need to attach something to show that we are talking about more than two people. Like Mahmood Ayaz was Zainabun Muhandisu kum. Am I right?
अगर ये सामने है तो मुहंदिसुकुम, और अगर ये एब्सेंट है तो मुहंदिसुहुम.
Exactly. Muhandisuhum or Muhandisukum. If there would be three females, so Muhandisu what?
मुहंदिसबना.
Muhandisuhunna. Third person.
मुहंदिसुहन्ना. हाँ हाँ हाँ, सही है. आप
Muhandisukunna.
मुहंदिसुहन्ना, हुन्ना हुन्ना.
Muhandisuhunna, Muhandisukunna. See,
Hmm.
the things might be jumbled up in our head because we are jumbling up the detached and attached pronouns together. That's why I want you guys to do a lot of practice. Like, see, Muhandisuhunna, Muhandisukunna, Muhandisukum, Muhandisuhum. But here we will say Yamaluna, Tamalina, Yamaluna, and what? Yamalna. Yamalna for plural female.
Females.
Ghayab,
female, हाँ, ये,
not which is
yes,
not second person. We are
हाँ,
talking about
second,
someone who is not present, right?
हम्म,
So like this, we need to work on that. Okay.
हम्म,
Okay, let's move on the other one. Ahmadu tabibun ya'malu fi mustashfal jamia yazhabu Ahmad ila al-mustashfa bis-sayyarati wa ya'malu sitta sa'atin fil yawmi wa yuhibbu amala. The same things are here. I thought that there might be different dialogue. If there would be class ended, so join the same link. So I guess इसको हम ना discuss करें because it's almost the same thing. But we can convert the things into plural or dual. Nida, can you give it a try?
yeah, sure. अच्छा, let me try. आप मुझे बता दें कि किस उसमें convert करना है, तो फिर मैं
Here
उसको
we can
focus
say
करके.
Ahmadu tabibun. So if we would say Ahmadu, Ahmadu or
आप 3 मेल्स कर रहे हैं, आप कह रहे हैं
yeah,
मुझे कि 3 मेल्स के हिसाब से कर लो,
exactly.
तो मैं फिर
Ahmadu wa
3 मेल्स के साथ,
Ayazun, Ayazu wa
हाँ,
Hamidu, tabibun.
अच्छा ठीक है,
So
हाँ,
what would be
तबीबु,
मुस्तशफी का क्या
फिर
मतलब है?
तबीबु हम हो जाएगा. इफ दे आर प्रेजेंट तो तबीबु कुम हो जाएगा, और इफ दे आर एब्सेंट तबीबु हम. करेक्ट, गलत,
correct,
सही
correct,
बोल रही हूँ मैं?
correct, perfect.
ठीक है ना. उसके बाद यामलूना फी मुस्तशफा अल
Wait,
जामिया.
hold on. Sumaira was saying,
एक,
asking something.
हाँ,
Yes,
जी
Sumaira.
बोलिए.
मुस्तशफी का मतलब पूछ रही थी मैं।
Mustashfa.
मुस्तशफी हॉस्पिटल को कहते
Do
हैं,
you
मुस्तशफा
remember?
हॉस्पिटल को कहते हैं.
Do you remember, guys? Just pay attention. Listen it very carefully. See, this is the word, and there is no छोटी या dots. यहाँ पर नुक्ते मौजूद हैं? नहीं हैं. This is the tip that we need to think and we need to see it clearly. This is the word fee. Here we can see 2 dots. Can we see below the chotiya? So where we see the dots below the chotiya, we would have to take out the sound like E. But if there would be without without dots, यानी नुक्तों के बगैर अगर हम छोटिया देखते हैं तो हम उसको आ पढ़ेंगे, E नहीं पढ़ेंगे. This is the tip for you. Just remember it. You can jot down it in your notebook in a tip box, that if we would have 2 dots with chotiya, so its sound would be E, but there would no dots and only chotiya would be given, so its sound would be A. So it is mustashfa, not mustashfi. All right? I hope you got it. Anything else?
मुस्तशफा हॉस्पिटल को कहते हैं. ठीक है, हॉस्पिटल. अच्छा, यामलूना फी मुस्तशफा अल जामिया. If they are present, it will be if they are present, mean if they are second person, then it will be tazhabuna, or if they are not present, then it will be yazhabuna. All 3 of them ilal mustashfa bisayyarati, sorry, बिसय्यारती. उसके बाद होगा वयअमलूना if they are present, if they are absent, and if they are present वतअमलूना सित्ता साअतिन फी अल-यौम, and वयुहिब्बुहुम नहीं, वयुहिब्बु, sorry, वयुहिब्बुहुम. If they are present, if it will be yuhibbuhum. If I'm amalu, no, yuhib is yuhib हम उसको consider करेंगे ना, फाल होगा ना टीचर.
See, this is verb.
तो ये बूना होगा ना.
Yeah. So how would we convert fail?
हाँ, if yuhibbuna amaluhum होगा if they are present, and if they are absent tuhibbuna amalukum.
Exactly. Perfect. So this is the way we need to convert the things. So easily we can understand the things, as we were worried about that we don't have the sentences and we can't use them for the for knowing the proper understanding about dual and plural. So this way you can do the practice as much as you can. शाकिरुन मुदर्रिसन फिल मरहलती तिल इब्तिदाइया यज़हबु इलल मदरसती फिस सबाही शाकिरुन युदर्रिसु खम्स साआतिन फिल यौमी व युहिब्बु अमलहु. If there would be new word you think, Nida, so you can convert, or someone else give it a try if you want, Zainab or Sumaira. If not, then Nida, you can do. Sumaira, you have written 2 mails or 3
Okay.
mails. What do you want to ask in chat?
ये पीछे जो ये कर रहे थे ना, मैं वो पूछ रही थी कि 2 मेल्स की बात हो रही है या 3 की बात हो रही है, ये मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही.
Okay, you got it, or shall
ये जो
I?
कन्वर्ट किया
अगर हम उसकी 3 और मल्टीपल की बात करेंगे तो हुम और कुम होगा, और अगर हम 2 की बात करेंगे तो हुमा और कुमा होगा. हुमा is for 2 absent and कुमा is for 2 present.
Yes. For male and
3
female,
के लिए होगा तो उसके लिए हुमा और कुमा.
नहीं, 2 के लिए हुमा होगा. हा मीम अलिफ और का मीम अलिफ, ये for 2 के लिए है.
do you remember?
हुमा is for absent 2
और 3
and कुमा is for present 2.
Do you remember the attached and detached pronouns, Nida?
और
Sorry, Sumaira. Attached and detached pronouns we have done earlier.
नहीं,
Remember?
जी जी लेकिन मुझे लगता है मुझे याद नहीं है.
That's why I.
आपको याद है वो
Do you
पाम
remember?
की पिक्चर टीचर ने सेंड की थी, पाम पिक्चर थी
Hand.
जिसमें उन्होंने ना
Yeah.
जी
सेंड
जी
किया
जी
हुआ
जी,
था.
वो रेफरेंस. हाँ जी
हाँ,
हाँ
वो
जी.
उसमें सारे 2 मतलब 2 प्रेजेंट एब्सेंट, मल्टीपल प्रेजेंट एब्सेंट एंड आई एंड वी, वो सब ना टीचर ने एक बताया हुआ था कि आप इसको इस तरह कर लें. तो इफ यू
ठीक
अगर आप
ठीक
उस
ठीक.
पिक्चर को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से 2-3 मर्तबा देख लोगे ना तो आपके दिमाग में रह जाएगा. इट्स के
ठीक.
आप जो है ना उसको कैसे जो है ना वो कन्वर्ट कर सकते.
Okay. Yes, Sumaira, try to open that palm picture, and inshallah, I will try my level best to gather all of the things in one document. So I will provide you that. But I would suggest you guys that you have to put some energy and effort from your side as well. Unless you will do this, you will, like you can say, you will get the proper work on that, and you will justice towards your improvement in Arabic language and familiarity and understanding. So try hard to do this. Inshallah, Allah will do better. Because this is a tricky thing to understand, that how can we use detached pronouns, where we should we use the attached pronouns, and also we have the dual, plural, and these kind of things. So this is like these are a lot of things to memorize and to practice. But if you guys will be consistently do the practice at home, even you can only take out the half an hour. So easily you can get to know that where you have to put what. We have only 1 minute left. So as the class would be finished, you should have to join it again. Okay, I guess we need to do this as well. Umaru tayyarun darasat tayrana फी कुल्लियत तैरानी वहुव यामलु फी शरीकत तैरानी यज़हबु. इसमें कोई न्यू वर्ड नहीं दिया हुआ है, सो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू that you guys have to do